Ibu bapak. Ibu bapak. Wow. Ibu bapa, hari kaje weto, sahur. It's not sula, it's sahur. Ah. Ibu bapa, ibu bapa. Ibu. Ibu bapa, what is sahur? What is sahur? There are many. Panaskan kuah. Panaskan nasi, panaskan kuah. Supaya bisa dimakan. Bulan Ramadan, bulan mulia. Look at this one smiling like Apo Buwawa. Wow.
Kamu ulangi sikote, ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak yang na di kampung Merawi. Waktu kamu menunjukkan Pak Pope lewat 5. Waktunya tahu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes. Assalamualaikum waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright. These videos came so viral, like some videos become viral out of nowhere. Just don't even know. What is sahur? Sahur, I know it's this is what mostly used in this Ramadan season. And so before sahur, these guys have to practice fast, right? But when it comes to religion, I subscribe. That's it. I don't play games with religion. I don't play games with that. No, I respect that, and I give the respect permanently. It's untouched. You feel me? Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in another video later. But right now, subscribe to the channel. Now, I'm watching. You done? Thank you. Bye.